Hey kids, today we've got a stable for our horses, a silo to store the grain, a rabbit hutch, some tree for some shade, a fence for the horses, a pond for the animals to play in and drink from, and a fence to keep the animals in. The tractor's here. Who's this? It's a white horse. Oh, lucky we've set up the stable for them. Let's pop them in the stable so that they can have a rest or even a nap. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's this flying in? It's a duck. Oh, I wonder where they're going to land. Splash! The tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a cow and some grass. Cows chew grass, then swallow it, and then find a place to lie down to bring back the grass into their mouth so they can chew it more. Wow! Don't forget to close the gate. The tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a pig. Did you know that a pig's snout is used to find food in the ground? Pigs like to eat both plants and animals. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's arrived. Who's in the back? It's a sheep. Did you know that a group of sheep is known as a herd, flock, or mob? Wow! Don't forget to close the gate. Who's here? It's a rabbit. Okay, let's pop them over here. Boing, boing. Okay, let's open up the rabbit hutch so that the rabbit can go inside and have a rest. There you go, buddy. Who's this flying in? Oh, it's a pelican. Nice landing. Oh, the tractor has arrived. What have we got in the back? It's a goat. Did you know that goats only use one side of their mouth to chew their food? That's why their mouth moves in circles. Don't forget to close the gate. The tractor has arrived. Who's in the back? It's a baby white horse, and I bet they're looking for their mum. Hi, Mum. Okay, let's pop them together. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, who's this in the back? It's two chickens. It's two roosters. Roosters are male chickens. Okay, let's pop them over here next to the horse stable. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a baby sheep. A baby sheep is also known as a lamb. Oh, it looks like Dad wants to see the baby. Hi, Dad. Okay, let's pop them here next to the fence. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's that in the back of the tractor? It's a rabbit. Oh, and it looks like they've brought a water bowl with them. Boing, boing, boing. Okay, let's open up the hutch so that they can go inside. Let's pop the water bowl out the front in case they get thirsty. The tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a piglet. Oh, there's Mum. She's been looking for you. Okay, Piglet. Let's go hang out with Mum next to the cow. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's this? It's a frog, and it looks like he's going into the pond. Nice one. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's a llama. Did you know that llamas can be used to guard livestock like sheep and alpacas? Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. We've got a cow and a baby cow. A baby cow is also known as a calf. Okay, let's pop them here next to the sheep. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a dog chasing a ball. Nice one, buddy. Let's go check out the pond and have a splash around with the animals. Looks like he had a great time. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's that in the back of the tractor? It looks like a baby animal. It's a baby goat. Did you know that goats are raised on farms for their meat, milk, and their wool? They are also very strong and can carry large loads on their back. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's this flying in? Oh, it's a beautiful swan. Splash! Nice landing. Oh, the tractor's here. Who have we got in the back? It's 2 donkeys. Did you know that donkeys are herbivores? This means that they don't eat meat, but they like to eat grass, hay, and grains. Donkeys are often used to carry heavy loads on their back. Who's this flying? Oh, it's a bird. It's a kookaburra. Nice landing. It's a bunny rabbit. Boing, boing, boing. And it looks like they've come to visit the rabbit hutch. And it looks like they're a little bit thirsty too. The tractor's here. Who's that in the back? It's a chicken and some chicks. This chicken is a hen because it is a female. Let's pop them under the silo so they have a little bit of shade. Don't forget to close the gate. The tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's Angora goats. Angora goats are known for being the most softest and fluffiest goats in the world. Oh, who's that in the back of the tractor? It's a brown horse and it looks like they've brought some grass with them to eat. Okay, let's pop them next to the Angora goat and they can nibble on their grass here. Baby horses are also known as foals. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's an alpaca and they look a bit hungry. Lucky there's some grass here for them to eat. Thanks, horse. Don't forget to close the gate. Hey kids, today we're building a horse stable, a pond for the animals, a chicken coop, a rabbit hutch, and a fence to keep the farm animals in. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's a sheep. Sheep are used on farms for their wool. Wool can make clothing. Who's this in the back? It's a white horse. Okay, let's put the horse back here in our horse stable. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's this? It's a farm dog. Oh, they've seen the water. Splash. Looks like they're having a great time. Oh, who's this? It's a goat. Goats like to eat grass, hay, weeds, grain, and sometimes bark. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's this flying in? Oh, it's a beautiful white swan. Nice landing. Who's in the back of the tractor? It's a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. Oh, and it looks like they're happy to see their dad. Okay, let's pop the lamb back here with their dad. The tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's a pig. It looks like they've seen the water. Pigs love swimming, so let's pop them next to the pond. The tractor's here. Oh, we've got 2 animals. It's a brown rabbit and a white rabbit. Okay, let's pop them back here at the rabbit hutch where they can make their home. Boing, boing, boing. The tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's a brown horse. Okay, let's pop them in the stable. Horses love stables as it is somewhere where they can relax and be fed. Who's this coming in? It's a kangaroo and they've come to visit the farm. The tractor's here. Who's in the back? It's 2 chickens. And some eggs and chicks. These 2 chickens are also known as hens because they are female. Let's pop them in the chicken coop so that they can have a rest. The chicks are also known as baby chickens and they have hatched from eggs. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. What's that in the back? It's some grass. Oh, let's feed some animals. Let's give this one to the white horse and this one to the goat. Whoops. Let's pick up the goat so that they can have some grass. Sorry, buddy. Okay, there's some grass for the goat. Oh, who's this flying in? It's a white duck. Nice landing. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's an alpaca. Let's open up the gate and let the alpaca in here. Oh, I wonder where the baby alpacas are. Oh, here they are. Okay, let's open up the gate so that they can be with their mum. Hi, Mum. Oh, I bet they're glad that they're all together now. Let's pop them here next to the grass. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's this? It's an emu. Emus like to eat off certain trees, so let's pop them next to this tree. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It's 2 cows. Did you know that cows make a moo noise? It sounds like this. Moo. Okay, let's pop them in here with the other farm animals so that they can relax and have some food. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, it's a bird. Oh, what type of bird is it? It's a lorikeet. Nice landing. Who's in the back of the tractor? It's a brown horse. Okay, let's pop the horse in the stable with the other horses. Who's in the back of the tractor? It's an Angora goat. Angora goats are famous for their mohair fur. This is used to create many types of clothing. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's that in the back? Oh, it's a cow and they look like they're relaxing. Let's pop them next to the pond. Oh, the tractor's here. We've got 2 animals. It's a llama and a baby llama. Baby llamas are also known as criers. Okay, let's pop them in here next to the alpacas. Don't forget to close the gate. Who's this? It's a baby emu. Hi, Mum. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's this? It's another chicken. This chicken is also known as a rooster. A rooster is a male chicken. Nice landing. Oh, who's in the back of the tractor? It looks like a baby animal. It's a baby goat. Okay, let's pop them with their mum. Don't forget to close the gate. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's this? It's a brown horse. Did you know that horses like to eat hay and grass? Sometimes they also get fruits and vegetables. Okay, let's shut the doors on the stable. All the tractors here. We've got two animals. It's a baby donkey and an adult donkey. Donkeys' diets should consist mainly of barley straw or oat straw, and they don't need to eat much grass. Oh, the tractor's here. Who's this? It's a baby pig. Oh, and it looks like Mummy Pig is coming to see them. A baby pig is also known as a piglet. Oh, the tractor's here. Oh, and it looks like a duck has gotten into the bag. Okay, let's pop them in the water. Ducks like to eat pond weeds, seeds, insects, worms, and small water snails. Oh, who's this? It's a farm cat and a farm dog, and it looks like they're playing a game of chasey. Oh, and it looks like the cat's going to win. Nice one, cat. Sorry, dog, not this time. Thanks for watching, kids. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!